Hey, welcome back. Continuing with our New Year's theme, today's Swiss Army knife will be the 2018 Year of the Dog Victorinox Zodiac Huntsman. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Okay, in our last video we covered the 2017 Year of the Rooster Huntsman from the Victorinox Zodiac series. And as covered, Victorinox has been producing these knives for the Asian market for several years, and started in 2014 they went to the Huntsman model. So with this Huntsman, it's 2018, so it's the Year of the Dog. The identifier for this one is 1.3714.4, and this was a limited run of 8,888 produced. We have the same size box as in the last video, being 8 and 11/16 wide, 6.5 long, and right at 2.5 inches thick. A little bit different color. On the last one it was brown. This one is kind of a reddish color. A little bit different design, but as we open it up, very similar layout on the inside. We've got our Huntsman knife over here with the Year of the Dog, and that nice pattern little pamphlet depicting the dog, and our horoscope card, for, well, that's what I'm calling it anyway. So again, here we have a prosperous year of the dog, and I'm not going to read that. I will try to get it into a good frame there, and hopefully you can pause the video if you want to read that. Okay. A little bit better packaging. The last one was kind of a cardboard setup there, and this is more of a foam inlay. And in the last video I forgot to cover our care, use, and maintenance card, but that's your standard care, use, and maintenance card. Get that out of the way. So again, we still have a 93mm knife. It is a 4-layer Huntsman, being right at about 3/4 of an inch wide. We get our Year of the Dog on the scale there. And again, our Victorinox shield gets moved to the rear. Very nice display boxes with these setups. Getting into it, we have our 4-turn solid corkscrew, again with the precision screwdriver. And then for this one, do our zoom in here again, in, not out. We have our serial number showing that there are 8,888 in this run, and this is knife 6,789. So I'm going to kind of breeze through these because they're all the Huntsman model and they're all newer. You get your postal hook, or post 85 reamer all, with the sewing eye, the sharpened edge, key ring in the post 91 location, our standard opening layer, can opener and precision screwdriver, cap lifter with the 90-degree stop, the wire bender, and the hollow ground screwdriver. Get our standard scissors with more of that bronzy looking rivet, 2-band spring, newer style handle, and the spring guiding groove. Get our wood saw, standard main blade. And for tang stamp, Victorinox Swiss made stainless with the officer Suisse or Seuss on the back. The pen blade or spear point blade. Toothpick. And tweezers with the plastic tip. So again, the 2018 Year of the Dog from the Victorinox Zodiac series. Nice look at that scale. Alrighty, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.